That site or that Yahoo group already contains the copy of my presentation as well as a electronic copy of your reading materials. Okay? And what I expect is that when I give you the case study later on, you will have 3 cases here in this module. You will be submitting your respective answers to those cases through the Yahoo group. Okay? The thing is, your best way of investing your money is in the bank. So if you have more than 100 pesos, the wisdom is the context. And knowledge is the experience. In knowledge management, we're trying to give something that you know you know. And the objective of knowledge management is to transfer what you know, what you think you know, what's in your mind, to another. Dito na umpisa yung nila, yung knowledge management activity nila. So, they have a plan on how to, on this particular process delivery. And before they execute their plan, they have this, what they call learn before doing, or peer assistance. Management framework, they were able to do that because they have, sabi nga, Lotus software, it pays good kung meron kayong ganitong discussion databases. And analyze it, do some operations. That's why we have, in all our branches, we have members assistance center. This is a one-stop shop.